Hey, movers and shakers, I'm going to show you how you can set up all the jobs you ever want to come to you for no money, for no nothing. You can get started right away. And this is how you're going to actually get jobs sent to you automatically for free. Well, let's get into it. All right, movers and shakers. So I am Jay Burnham, and I am the founder of the Seven Figure Moving Academy here on YouTube. And if you didn't know that, you probably this is probably your first video, so let me introduce myself. Anyway, guys, I had started on this challenge, which is $100 into $100,000, starting a new moving company in the next 12 months. And this is episode 3. Phase 1, episode 3. All right. So what we're going to be doing, guys, is we're going to be signing up for what I call these moving job providers or moving labor job providers, right? And you can see right here in the video, right there, that I have it loaded up. And let me go into that right now. I'm going to show you this. And this comes from my book, The Ultimate Seven-Figure Resource List for Movers. You can get this at whateverymoverneeds.com. Well, let's do that again. All right. Whateverymoverneeds.com. That is the website for this book. If you want to get this book, just go to whateverymoverneeds.com and you can get this book. Now, what I want to show you guys in this book is what I call my moving labor job providers. And these are all companies that you could sign up for free. You don't have to pay to get it. There is one that you do have to pay, and it's literally nothing. It's $40 for the year. But basically, you can sign up for all of these different companies and become a provider of different labor opportunities. You can sign up to be cleaning, furniture assembly, junk removal, whatever. Some of them are just geared towards moving, like Moving Helper is just geared towards moving. But then you've got things like TaskRabbit and Bell and then Thumbtack and so on and so forth that you could sign up for different various things that you can do. Now, if that's something you're looking to do and you want to do that, absolutely, you can do that. But now I tried to sit there and do this on camera and show you how to do it on camera, but it just went completely, and I've already signed up for them all. So I'm just going to kind of take you through it and show you what you can do to get through a couple of these. First of all, let's go to Moving Helper. Right? You just click on Moving Helper. You're going to hit the little button. It's going to show up. Now, I've got to switch my channel here. Hang on. All right, so here we are. We're on movinghelper.com. And we can actually see this, but we want to go not to Moving Help, we want to go to Moving Helper. Right now, Moving Help is where people go to sign up and actually book labor to load up their U-Haul boxes, their trucks, etc. So, but we want to become a provider for them. So you're going to go to movinghelper.com. And then if you're not yet signed up, you can sign up today. It's really easy. It's super simple. You're going to fill out your first name, your last name, your email, your phone, create a password, agree to the terms of service, and then you're going to sign up. Now, like I said, I already signed up. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to just log into my account. And here's my account. I just signed up and did everything that you're supposed to do. Got this complete to-do list. You're supposed to take a couple of courses. And then you got to add services and availability in your service area. Right now, I am not currently listed on the marketplace. Hopefully that'll get changed very soon, but that will be on it. But once you do it, you're going to set yourself up. And then once you've gone through you've done everything you're supposed to do, like take the courses and set up your service area, they're going to have go through a review process, right? So that's how you do that, right? All right, so now that's what you can do. The other one that you want to do is Hire a Helper. And Hire a Helper Whoops, I misspelled it over there. Put a slot. Whoops, what did I do? No, I went to their sitemap. All right, this is Hire Helper. You can become a mover if you own a truck and you're legally licensed and insured. You could do this. You could also do movers only, and basically, you're going to do what Hire Helper do. You're going to go in there. You're going to sign up. You're going to what services tell us that's about their needs, but you're going to come down. Sorry about that. You're going to come into down here and you're going to sign up for the different things. Now, thing about moving Hire Helper, when you're signing up for Hire Helper, they also partnered up with Moving Place and Simple Moving Labor and so on and so forth. So if you signed up with any of those two companies, Simple Moving Labor is like Hire Helper and Moving Helper. If you sign up with them, you can you're going to actually already be in this group. So once you're down here, you're going to go hit this button called Get Listed on Hire Helper. It's going to take you through the works here, and then you're going to list your company. You're going to put your first name, your last name, your email, and go on through that. All right, so that's how you do Hire Helper. We're going to stop sharing there. We're going to go back over here to then get you back on here. Present me. And basically, you could go through this entire list right here, and you could sign up for all these different companies. Now, I tried to go through some of these. Really depends on your like TaskRabbit. You could sign up with them, and I have signed up with them. However, I am in an area that TaskRabbit does not serve, and the closest area to me is the Detroit area, which is a little bit too far. Not only that, I did look into signing up with them, and they were not. They just had way too many companies, so they weren't taking on any more taskers, as they call them. So I was not able, even though I'm signed up with TaskRabbit, I am not in an area that TaskRabbit services just yet. I went to Bellhops, but Bellhops is actually hiring you to be a labor. It's not letting you do as a business, but you could sign up to be a laborer. So you can actually get jobs from them. They'll book you, and then you will get assigned a crew for the day. So somebody goes to Bellhops and they need a crew member, like in your town, then you're going to be assigned to a crew for that particular job. So this is like an employee type job. So just be aware that Thumbtack, everybody's aware of Thumbtack. I did sign up with Thumbtack. I have yet to get anything in there. I still got to do some setup. And with Thumbtack, though, you do, before they're going to let you actually start collecting jobs, you do got to have at least one or two testimonials. So you're going to have to go to past customers and have them give you a testimonial before you can sign up for Thumbtack. Now, I haven't done that just yet. I'm probably going to reach out to my subscriber base and say, hey, I need a couple. Will somebody go to Thumbtack and please give me a review for Thumbtack so I can start doing that, right? Then there's Moving Labor, there's Bungee, Dolly, Shift, all these different things. Now, some of these may or may not be right for you. So if they're not right for you, don't sweat it. Just sign up anyway. They might approve you. They may not, whatever. But this is a way you could get a sign up form, set yourself up, get ready. When you do this, though, I would make sure you have your email. If you haven't seen that, then you're going to want to see. You're going to want to see. You're going to want to see. I'm going to post a video right over here. A video that I just did last time, where you can actually, it shows you how to set up an email. So you're going to want to have an email. You're going to want to have some pictures. You can use AI pictures, but you're going to want to have those pictures available to put on these sites, and so that you can make your stuff look pretty. All right. Now, guys, tomorrow, what I want to do is I want to show you the next video, not tomorrow, but the next video. I want to show you my move site here. This is right here, my website that I created through Google Sites. See, when you sign up for a paid for workspace, Google Workspace email, you get access to all their entire suite of services. And one of their services is Google Sites. And you could actually set up a Google site like this. Now, this is not pretty. It's not great. And I set up this site, but I'm going to actually take you through how easy it is. Now, this isn't the best site. It's not the greatest website builder, but I'm going to show you how you can get a free site with your own URL from this. So that's going to be the next video. All right, guys. So I wanted to show you a little bit of how you can use my book. And you could go to whateverymoverneeds.com, get that book. You could get access to all of these providers. I update it regularly, so it's always updated 100%. So when a company defuncts or goes bad or leaves or whatever, I'll erase it. And then if there's a new company that starts, I will always update it. So this will always be an updated list. I'm probably going to turn this into a spreadsheet so that I can constantly be upgrading the spreadsheet. Right now it's just PDF form, but eventually I'm going to probably go into a spreadsheet so that you can access at any time you want. But so there you guys go. This is how you can get all the jobs you ever wanted just by signing up, and you never have to spend a dime on advertising, postcards, emails, nothing like this. These jobs will come to you specifically to your company, right? And this is how you can get started right away getting jobs. All right, guys, hopefully this was useful to you. This was informative for you. If you liked it, please make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this video. Also, don't forget, right? This is a series. It's part of my $100 to $100,000 in 12 months moving company startup challenge. If you're not part of that, make sure that you sign up for this channel and sign up to get notifications, because I will be posting these videos every so on, right? We are on right now. This is the 6th of January. I started this whole thing on the 1st. So guys, this is a big deal here. So we're only in the 6 days, and I've not really been pushing hard because I've been doing a lot of other things. But in 6 days, I've already signed up. Now, when I get my first job and we get going, I'll let you guys know. But next video will be about how to set up a free website. All right, guys, I like you. I love you. Go and do something great today. Bye-bye.